Christmas in Mexico. A special symbol of Christmas in Mexico is the poinsettia. A symbol is something that stands for another thing. The poinsettia is a plant with colored leaves. The leaves are red, pink, or white. The poinsettia is named after Joel Poinsett. He was the first U.S. ambassador to Mexico. An ambassador is a person sent by a government to represent it in another country. The poinsettia reminds many Mexicans of a special Christmas story. The story tells about a boy on Christmas Eve. He was going to church to visit baby Jesus. He wanted to bring a gift for Jesus, but the boy was poor. He did not have a gift. The boy saw some green plants on the side of the road. He picked some and brought them to the church. Something special happened when he gave the plants to Jesus. The leaves on top of the plants changed color. They turned bright red. Decorations. People in Mexico decorate their homes for Christmas. They shop for decorations at Christmas markets. People decorate with flowers, moss, and evergreens. Evergreens are plants that always stay green. People also decorate with many poinsettias. Poinsettias are sometimes called the flower of the Nativity. Nativity means the story of Jesus' birth. People also put out figures of Mary, Joseph, and the baby Jesus. Many nativity sets also have figures of the wise men. Sometimes they have animals and other people from the Christmas story. Paper lanterns are another Christmas decoration used in Mexico. A lantern is like a lamp. People also hang up Mexico's flag. The flag is red, white, and green. These colors are Christmas colors. Christmas celebrations. Mexicans have a posada on each of the 9 nights before Christmas. Posada means inn in Spanish. A posada is like a game of hide and seek. The first posada is held December 16th. Children go from house to house. They carry small figures of Mary and Joseph. They pretend to look for a place to sleep. Many people send them away. The children try to find the one house that will let them in. There's a party when they find it. The children put the figures of Mary and Joseph in the manger scene. Then they try to break open a piñata. A piñata is made of paper and paste. It is filled with candy and small gifts. The children hit the piñata with a stick. When it breaks, the candy and gifts fall out. The last posada is on Christmas Eve. Children carry a figure of baby Jesus too. They place him in the manger at the last house. Christmas song. Every country has special songs to sing at Christmas. In Mexico, children sing special songs during the posada. The children sing as they walk from house to house. They sing at each house. The song asks the owner of the house for a room in the inn. The owner answers them with a song too. This song tells the children to go away. The owner says there is no room. The children keep trying different houses until they find the right one. Then the owner sings a song of welcome. The song says the children can come in. There is another special posada song. Children sing this song the last night. It is a lullaby for Jesus. A lullaby is a quiet song. It is sung to put babies to sleep. Children sing it to the figure of the baby Jesus. They ask him to sleep in his manger bed. Santa Claus. The first Santa Claus was a man named St. Nicholas. A saint is a special person in the church. St. Nicholas lived a long time ago. He secretly gave gifts to children and poor people. A few children in Mexico believe in Santa Claus. These children usually live in big cities. They believe Santa Claus brings presents on Christmas Eve. The children open their presents that same night. But many children in Mexico do not believe in Santa Claus. They believe in the 3 kings instead. The 3 kings are the wise men from the Christmas story. These children usually live in the villages or in the country. The 3 kings bring them presents on January 6th. They do not receive presents on Christmas Eve. Christmas presents. People all over the world give gifts at Christmas. Giving gifts reminds Christians of the wise men's gifts. The wise men brought special gifts to Jesus when he was born. Most children in Mexico open their presents on January 6th. This is the day Christians believe the wise men visited Jesus. This day in Mexico is called the Feast of 3 Kings. Children put their shoes out before they go to bed on January 5th. They put their shoes on a windowsill. The sill is the bottom part of the window. In the morning, the children's shoes are filled with presents. These presents are from the 3 kings. Holiday foods. People in Mexico have special dinners on Christmas Day. They eat turkey, fruit, and vegetables. They also eat tortillas. A tortilla is a type of bread. It is round and flat. Mexicans also eat a special Christmas salad. It is called ensalada navideña. This salad has fruit, beets, nuts, and sugar cane in it. Colored marshmallows are on top of the salad. Marshmallow is a soft white candy. Another Christmas food in Mexico is buñuelos. Buñuelos are thin, round cakes. They are covered with cinnamon and sugar.